Hello Interval Plus family, this is Coach Juliana. Today we have one more recipe from Cooking with the Coach. So today we're gonna do this low carb tortilla. You can use this for any meal of your day. It's a healthy option, low carb, and you can stuff the way you want. So for our tortilla, all we'll need is 2 eggs. I'm gonna use corn flour, but you can use any type of flour you want or you have it at home. Almond flour, wheat flour, any type. I'm gonna add some seeds so we add a little bit more fiber and make it healthier. Here I have chia seeds and flax seeds and a pinch of salt. So now all I'm gonna do is add all the ingredients in a bowl and make sure everything is mixed well. I already have a non-stick frying pan here, preheated to a medium to low heat. So I'm just gonna add my mixture and wait for it to be cooked on one side, and then I can flip. So after 2 to 3 minutes, you have to be patient here. You can see that the top is already dried. It looks like it's cooked. So it's time to flip. Be gentle. Start here from outside to the inside part. I'm gonna flip it. And let it cook to this side too. So our tortilla is done now. This is how it is supposed to look like. Now you can stuff with whatever you want. So for the first one, I'm gonna stuff with half of a small avocado, some lettuce, turkey breast, and tomatoes. As our second option, I'm gonna add some cheese. So this is the right time to add, so the cheese can melt a little bit. You can turn the heat off and just wait a few seconds until the cheese is melted. Now that my cheese is already melted, I'm gonna add some kale and grilled chicken strips. So this was our recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do it at home, please tag us Interval Plus, and see you next time.